here is the most powerful strategy you can ever use. So remember, you can actually download this strategy. The link will be in the description, and it only works for MetaTrader 4. So this strategy actually comes with more than 15 indicators. Okay, you can actually install some or install all of them. It's up to you. So not wasting any of your time, let me explain how best you can use this strategy. So let's start with a buying. So if we'd like to enter a buy trade, these are the conditions which have to be met. So this strategy is actually going to show you these blue dots. So these blue dots are actually signals for you to buy. Okay, this is the first condition. The other condition is that the green line over here has to cross this oversold line. Okay, once these conditions are met, this is when you can actually get to buy. So it's saying buy as the blue dot appears in the blue zone. So in the blue zone is where there are these blue lines. Okay, then the green and the red lines under the purple line, okay, has passed through or near the oversold line. This is when you buy. So when it comes to selling, so this was for buying, then for selling is this one. So you sell as the red dot appears in the red zone. So the red zone, this is where there are these red lines. Okay, and okay, the red and the green line is above the purple line and has passed through the overbought line. So this is the overbought line, and as you can see over here, so the red and the green has passed through the purple line. Okay, so this is how you actually use the strategy. So give it a try. The link is in the description. Bye for now.